In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into BankWest. So for those people who do not know BankWest, BankWest is previously known as the Bank of Western Australia. It is an Australian full-service bank based on Perth, Western Australia, which means it's basically an Australian bank, alright? So basically, if you guys have created an account in it, it provides really nice, credit cards facility, debit card facility, as well as, nice credit on your saving account, as well as loans, insurance, and other facilities, alright? So like, if you guys want to know more about it, you can visit the official website of this, BankWest and create an account, alright? But this video is on login. Let's get into that. But before that, it's me, Vichy Kevin here, watching One to Step YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on if you guys are new to this channel. Let's move on. First step, you want to search for BankWest, and you want to click on versus BankWest online banking. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to its online banking page. Now, once you're over here, you need to enter a PAN number, also known as personal access number. Once you enter that, basically what you want to do is you want to enter your password over here. And after you do that, you just click on login, and you should be able to log in into your account if your information you provided here is correct. So that's basically it. So hope you guys were able to understand the video. Do hit that like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.